I'm Martha Higdon, and when I am picking designs for my quilts, I try to pick a design that has something to do with the quilt. If you can look at this quilt here, it has flowers. She has applique on there with her buttons, and so I would like to pick a border that has to do with the flowers. So I have chose this block that it's in the Handy Quilter blocks called Audrey, and so it kind of coordinates with the flowers so that the quilt pattern design all goes together and flows together. Also, I want to point out when I'm putting in a border and I'm putting the design in, I'm using my Pro Stitcher, I want to at least leave a 1/4 inch seam or a 1/4 inch allowance away from the edge, because that's where my binding strip is going to be on. So I got to make sure that my design doesn't get into the binding. So I have this 1/4 inch ruler that I can use to make sure I am a good 1/4 inch away from the edge of the quilt. I can also use the edge of my foot that's attached to my long arm and use it as a guide as well. I can also use Pro Stitcher Grid to see, once I did my area and marked it, I can use it to make sure that I'm a 1/4 inch away. So it's real important that you keep your designs out of the binding. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Happy quilting!